All right. Welcome back, my viewers, my subscribers. Please, and to the newcomers. Yeah. If it's your first time of coming across this channel, Kalis Digital Network, please endeavor to give us a like, subscribe, and ping the notification button. So each time we drop a new video, or each time I drop a new video, you will get notified. This very moment, I'm going to share my experience as a crypto investor, trader, analyst, starting from when I get to know about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin in particular, as at 2017. Yeah, in 2017, that was when I was in my early HND ones, doing, doing my HND degree at computer science. I had issue raising funds, no money, and in my lonely abode, I was thinking how I can raise money, how I can make money online. With a lot that has happened between that 2016 2017, I was among the victim of MMM crash in Nigeria. I lost a lot of money that I don't want to mention, and that was the money I saved for my final year. I was going to use to finance my education process for the next 2 years, which is HND1, HND2. But I invested most of those money in an MMM scheme with hope of doubling it so I can make more money and still live good while pushing my career in computer science. For a hit on me, I lost everything. Like, I lost everything. Yeah. So on my lonely moments or the slim looking out, thinking of how I was going to start get started on cryptocurrency and make money online. I don't know anything about cryptocurrency. I was totally a novice. I came across a site called Bitfinex. Yeah, Bitfinex was one of the, it was where I started my crypto journey. I saw say 5K can buy. I started reading articles about how to trade on Bitfinex platform. I saw their listing. I saw their sports trading. When you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell. And then I was having just 20,000 naira left with me, and I think a dollar was around 150 there. So with my 20,000, I was able to buy 20 to $25 worth of Bitcoin, so worth of dollar USDT to start with. So I started trading on Bitfinex platform. I traded it from $25 to $50 gradually, $50, $50, $100. I was at 2017, early 2017. That should be around January 2017. The process continued with consistency. I study, I trade more every day. Then I make sure I close with at least $5 every day. It continued, the process continued until I was able to trade my $25 to $100. I felt so accomplished. I was happy. That was when I made my first $100. Journey didn't start there. 2017, around September, that was the peak in cryptocurrency. My Bitcoin or my crypto assets moved from $100 to about $600. Wow! I was so happy. I felt, wow, I'm a pro. I'm making it in this market. But something happened. What I knew now, assuming I knew it then, there are a lot of risk, a lot of things I would have avoided. There were a lot of mistakes I made because I was a self-taught. I didn't go to any school. I didn't meet anybody. I just study online, make research, and practice with my own capital. What really happened? As entered 2018, I was having January. I was having $600. There is this coin that was the hype was high on it. The hype coin was high on it. What happened about this coin? I'm going to tell you the story about the coin, then I will now tell you the name of this coin. This coin has the news that uh, porn sites has blocked paper pay, that people can make payment again to porn site using paper, and this coin was going to support payment to porn sites using their coin, and this coin skyrocketed. I FOMO in with the mind of turning the $600 to $1,000. I FOMO in with everything, all the $600 I made trading Bitcoin and Ethereum as at 2018 early. I FOMO into this coin. I didn't get to do thorough analysis. I didn't do trust research. I didn't do trust study about this coin, and I bought it and I relaxed. I didn't use stop loss. Bitcoin has hit its first time all height as at 2017 2018 from $2,000 to $20,000. Then 2018 February, March, April, all of a sudden, sleeping over the night, wake up in the morning to check my assets. My money that I invested in Veg, which was about $600, moved from $600 to $300. Who could have believed that? It was so done on me. See what happened. There was still news, there was still hype on the coin. I was going to do well, I was going to go this, that, this, that, news up and down. I said, fine, I'm not going to sell. I will hold this coin till the coin will get to its all-time high. Before you could know it, Bitcoin moved from $20,000 to $7,000, $6,500. Wow, fear gripped me. What was happening in crypto markets? I was so devastated. I held on that Veg. Then I never followed news about the Veg. I never do a thorough analysis. I never just study about Veg. Veg bring me back to $80. Then I gave up on crypto. 2018. I said no. I'm done for crypto. I sell up everything. I think that's it. I need to make some payments to pay for my accommodation fee. I set up the $80 after 2018. I was around November, December, because I couldn't November of 2018. I couldn't wait any longer. Then leave about $20 thereabouts in that Veg and leave cryptocurrency. That was a step I took after 2018 that I'm regretting today. I didn't bother trading crypto. I didn't check in again. I didn't do anything until late 2020. There was a hype again on Bitcoin. Bitcoin picked up from $7,000 that I traded for almost 2 years, 8, 9, 10. Due to fear of not losing money, I didn't buy at 10,000. 20,000, I didn't buy. 30, I didn't buy. Before you know, 35, I said, man, this is going to run out. And there's no longer money to start again. Okay, I bought at 35, bought few, like about $20 worth of feet, which is fraction, nothing. It got to, when it got to all-time high of 50,000, I sell it up. So inside the 20,000 naira I used to buy it then, I was able to get like 2,000 extra, which 40,000. I relaxed. But to cut the long story short, what I'm trying to say in essence is this: if I would have held on the Bitcoin I had as at 2016 till when Bitcoin hit its all-time high, the third time of $6,000, then by now I would have been a mid person in crypto. But I'm not regretting because it broadened my knowledge about crypto, Bitcoin, and digital assets. So these are the mistakes I made building myself, trying to make it from nowhere to somewhere. And those mistakes, I've been avoiding them. You can see the market is on bearish now, but I'm just smiling. You know why? I followed news. I do my analysis. You see this guy is a YouTube. Follow him. He give unbiased analysis about coins. And since I've been following this guy, I've been monitoring my assets. I know when to lose, when to pull out from market, and when to um, leave my money in the market. So, having said that, also another thing that happened that also affected me there was an attack, a hack on Bitfinex platform. Then I forgot to mention in 2018, Bitfinex lose whole sum of money and affected their system. They nearly crashed. The system was slow. A lot of coin was delisted, and most of the coin I was holding on Bitfinex, which Verge was one of them, was also delisted. I don't know how to trade it off the centralized markets. I don't know about DEX, decentralized exchange. I don't know about centralized exchange, which is Binance. But because of the delisting of some of these tokens, I now need to research more on how I can trade those coins on other platform. While I was doing that, I came across DEX. That is when something called DEX came to, which called decentralized exchanges, which is the real essence of crypto being into place. And that's another thing I will keynote to note, that even in the crypto world that we're talking about, there are two major markets in crypto. We have the CES, we have the DEX. What is CES? CES stands for centralized exchanges. DEX, decentralized exchanges. What are the examples of centralized exchanges? Binance, Bitfinex, Ponies, Jumo, Coinbase, and rest of them. What are the examples of DEX exchanges, decentralized exchanges? We have the JuSwap, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and a whole lot of them. Just make sure you study. The Google is at your dispense for you to use. I've used it a lot and I've researched a lot of it. Now something happened again. Fast forward till 2022. Is this coin again I bought that would have sent me packing out of crypto entirely. It's called ASI Infinity, ASL. ASI Infinity. I bought this coin at $57 per one. Yeah, I bought $57 per one. The coin was doing well. It has a high roadmap project in place. It got to $100. I didn't sell. Yep. Then it dropped back to $70. Wait, it went to 80. I sold some of the assets as a buy power. Then all of a sudden the coin moved from $70 to $50, $55. I was I was surprised what was happening to this coin. Even when other coins were still on bullish, I started researching. Then I read over the news that this site, the protocol has been attacked and they've lost some coin on it. With this news, I know that it was a red flag. Red flag. Immediately, I sold off everything I had in that as Infinite at $55. No minding I bought it at $70. You know, I said earlier, don't sell below what you bought, but it depends on what you're holding. If you're holding an asset that is crashing, my bro, sell it off. Don't wait until you get to the point where you bought and wait to buy back. So I sold at 50, I bought at 70, I sold at 55. That's almost 15% loss. But as I speak with you right now, I'm going to show us that coin I sold at 55. The current um, value of that coin now is, as I do this video, AX. Yes. So the current value of the coin now is $29. But something happened. It got to 27. I sold it at 55. I bought at 70. I bought one at 75. I sold it at 55. And it got to 27. I bought at 28. I bought another one. See, having about $20 or 30, yeah, 30, 20 something dollar extra. Assuming I held on with that one, I bought at 70. Today, my current value will be $29. So that is where your risk management comes in play. Now I've been able to buy that same one. In fact, I can buy two with that $55 that I sold one at right now, with hope that the coin will get back to where it was. And the coin is actually doing well. Yeah, they have a good roadmap, done my studies, but it's not financial advice. See, do your research if you intend to invest in it. But right now, I think this coin is a good buy, as Infinity buy, because they are powering a very powerful game. So, in a nutshell, if you are trading in crypto, these are the things you must avoid: fear and greed. Do not let your fear get over your emotion. Do not let your greed get over your emotion as well. Know when to buy, know when to sell. These are the principles that will guide you toward becoming a successful trader in Bitcoin. With this principle, you will not lose your capital. Rather, you will maintain your capital. If you cannot trade very well, if you cannot do in-depth analysis, you cannot study the candles chart, instead of that, be an investor. Buy and store. See crypto coins and Bitcoin as a store of value. Now, let me give us one method I also adopt that has been helping me. It's called DCA, that is dollar cost averaging. Yeah, dollar cost averaging is a method whereby if I see any project or any coin that I want to buy, the very first I have about the coin, I will look at the coin. Okay, fine. Know how much I want to invest in the coin. For instance, if I want to invest $100 in that coin, I will do my dollar cost averaging, which is depending on the interval I want to buy that coin. I want to buy that coin in the interval of 10 times. My dollar cost averaging for $100 will be $10. So the first time I approach the market, I'm going to throw in $10 to it. When I put in $10, I observe the market for the next couple of days. If the market goes down, maybe 10% or 20% below my where I enter the market, I have to throw in another $10. Yep. See, watch it. If the market goes further down, I will also throw in another $10, making it $30, and leave that for that. I still have $70 for the next week. So for this week, I've thrown in $30. Then I will observe the coin. If the coin, the upper weeks goes on bullish, and get to my first buy, I'll buy another $10. Unless I want to sell, I can now sell the $10 I bought at my thought buy and wait for it to fall. And I can, but my take is to invest $100, and that $100 will be invested over a period of time. That is how my dollar cost averaging has been working. And since I adopt this process, I have maintained my assets. Yeah. So I believe this video is helpful to you. I remember this video is solely for education and entertainment purposes. It's not a financial advice. If you are seeking for a financial advice, please hire a professional one. I'm not that. I'm just a scientist. I'm a website developer, information researcher, data analyst. I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you, and endeavor to subscribe to my channel, Kali's Digital Network, cardinal.com.ng, as we're giving you more powerful content to help you grow in this crypto journey. Just as I'm speaking, the coin has dropped to $28 as infinity. So it's a good buy. Yeah, see, this project is a good buy. Thank you.